Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate during a video call. So let's get started. First, open the Google Translate app on your phone. Once it's open, you'll see two language boxes at the top. In the first box, select the language that the other person is speaking. For example, if they're speaking English, choose English here. Then, in the second box, select your own language. For example, if you want to translate it into Urdu, choose Urdu. Now that your languages are set, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the microphone icon. Once you tap it, you can start your video call, whether you're using Zoom, Google Meet, WhatsApp, or Messenger, and when the other person speaks, hold your phone close to your device's speaker. Google Translate will listen to the audio, automatically convert it into text, and then translate it into your selected language. It even reads the translation aloud so you can listen to it as well. For example, if your meeting is in English and you want to understand it in Urdu, just keep your microphone on in Google Translate while the person talks. You'll see the words appear in English first and then instantly get translated into Urdu. This way, you can communicate smoothly even if you don't speak the same language. It's especially useful for international meetings, online classes, or customer support calls. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials.